Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Boniface Nebo. I want to show you an important tip as well. As you can see, this is the F connector holding the wire, the cable wire that comes from the searchlight to this particular point. Okay, so if you remove this, let me remove it and show you something. Let me remove this and show you something, okay? Okay, yes, as I've removed this particular F connector holding the coaxial cable, I want you to monitor this. This place you are seeing, these tiny wires are the negative, while this is the positive, okay? This tiny silver color wire are the negative, while this is the positive. So anytime you normally remove this particular cord from here, and these negative ones washed out. Once these negative ones, all of them moved out, remaining only this one. If you insert this F connector and connect it back to this place, what you'll be receiving is no signal. To be telling you no signal, because the presence of the negative ones have been removed. So the negative ones are no longer there. So for you to avoid that, make sure you, after removing this and you are not seeing these negative ones, cut the wire again and remove this white one that is like foam. Now allow this to be like this, while you now socket it inside. These negative ones must be flopped at the back of this wire. Okay, it must be at the back of this wire while you now put it inside. Once you put it inside and now you connect it back, I hope you can see it. So once you connect it back here, you will start to receive a good signal. So, but this has made so many people to lose money, because once an installer discovers that this thing is not present and they make it to be present, they must charge you for coming to your place to do the work. Okay, so if you understand this very well, do it and you save yourself a lot of cost. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for viewing.